Hi everyone, welcome to the class. In this class, let us learn how to factorize a quadratic polynomial. This is second type. In the previous video, we have already learned how to factorize a quadratic polynomial when product is positive and coefficient of x is also positive. Here, the product is positive and coefficient of x is negative. I take it as second type. What is quadratic polynomial? So, a polynomial which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is called quadratic polynomial. So, in this class, let us learn how to factorize this one. Here, see, coefficient of x square is 2 and coefficient of x is minus 11 and constant is equal to 12 here. We have to split the 11x into two terms such that the sum should be equal to the 11x minus 11x and product of the coefficients of the x terms should be equal to the product of x square and constant. So, in the second type, the coefficient of x is negative, the product is positive. In the first type, coefficient of x is positive and product also positive. Now multiply coefficient of x square into constant. Let us multiply these two. So 2 into 12, we get 24. We have to factorize 24. Let us start now. 24, this is a positive number. So let us write it as product of two numbers. Divide first with 1. 124 is 24. So when the number is positive, the two factors may be both positive or both negative also. Either is possible here. Minus into minus plus, plus into plus also plus. 1 into 24, 24. Minus 1 into minus 24 also 24. Now by adding these two numbers, we should get the coefficient of x, that is minus 11. By adding this, we should get minus 11. Let us add and verify. 24 plus 1. 1 plus 24 is equal to 25. But here minus 11. So this is not valid for this. So minus 1 minus 24. Let us add these two. So we get minus 25. But here we should get minus 11 only. Let us take one more factor. Divide with 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Here again there are two possibilities. 2 plus 12, that is equal to 14. Not useful. Minus 2 minus 12 minus 14. Not useful. I should get minus 11. So leave it. Then take third table. You have to continue this process up to 9 table, because if the number is less than 100. If the number is less than, product is less than 100, you have to continue up to 9. Now 3 8 ja 24. There are two possibilities, either plus into plus or minus into minus, because here product is plus, positive. So 3 plus 8, add here, we get 11. Minus 3 minus 8, we get minus 11. So here is minus 11 addition. The sum of the two factors is minus 11 here. So we have to select these two coefficients, these two factors. So here 2x square minus 11x can be written as minus 3x minus 8x. minus 3x minus 8x. We have to split the minus 11x as sum of two terms, and here write the constant as it is, don't change. So again we shall check up whether it is true or not. By adding these two, minus 3x minus 8x, we get minus 11x. By multiplying these two, minus into minus plus, 3 8 ja 24. Now multiply x square coefficient and constant, 2 12 ja 24. 3 8 ja 24, 2 12 ja 24. So this is right. If you multiply these two terms, two coefficients, you will get the same product by multiplying x square coefficient and constant. ఈ రెండింటిని మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుందో ఈ రెండు మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే కూడా అంతే రావాలి, సింబల్తో సహా. అలా రాసినప్పుడే మీరు రాసింది కరెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఈ రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేస్తే ఎంత వచ్చింది? మైనస్ 11x. మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 24. ఈ రెండు మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే కూడా 24. అలా రావాలి. అంటే యూ హ్యావ్ టు స్ప్లిట్ ద మైనస్ 11x యాజ్ two terms such that the addition should be equal to the middle term and product should be equal to the coefficient of x square and constant. Now take the common factor from these two terms. Here 2, here 3, there is no common factor, but here x square, here x. So take x as common factor. Now 2x square by x. Divide 2x square by x. We know how to divide. 2 into x, x square means here x gets cancelled, you will get 2x. Write 2x here. Here minus 3x is there. Minus 3x by x. X cancel, minus 3. So minus 3x by x. So we got minus 3 as quotient right here. Now take common factor from these two numbers. Here x is there, here x is not there. So x is not common factor. Now number. This divisible by this 80 and 12 are divisible by 4. HCF of two numbers is 4. 4 2 ja, 4 3 ja. You have to take only highest common factor. 2 also divides here. 2 4 ja, 2 6 ja. But you do not take. You had highest number 4 2 ja, 4 8, 3 ja. So 4 is the common factor. Here minus symbol is there, keep minus symbol and divide minus 8x by minus 4, write quotient here. Next plus 12 by minus 4, write quotient here. Minus 8x by minus 4. If you know, you can write directly. Minus become plus, 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja. You will get 2x. Write here 2x. Now divide plus 12 by minus 4. Plus 12 by minus 4. If you can do in orally, you can write. No need to do all this. Plus by minus, minus 4 1 ja, 4 3 ja, minus 3. So 2x is the quotient here. Write the quotient here. And next minus 3, write here minus 3. Now 2x minus 3 is the common factor. Same factor is here. And write the remaining factor. X into 2x minus 3, divide x into 2x minus 3 by 2x minus 3. Both gets cancelled, you will get x. Next 4 into 2x minus 3 by 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 cancel, you will get minus 4 as quotient. This is the factorization of this one. 2x minus 3 into x minus 4. If you multiply these two, you will get the same quadratic polynomial. Okay, in this way you have to do this. Here the plus symbol is there, we select these two terms, two factors, plus 3x plus 8x. Here minus symbol is here, so we have to select these minus 3 minus 8. Now let us solve one more problem to understand the concept easily. Now let us factorize 3x square minus 17x plus 24. This is the second example for type 2. Again we have to write coefficient of x square here. Coefficient of x square is equal to 3. Coefficient of x that is b is equal to minus 17 here. So constant is equal to 24. Now multiply this quotient of x square with constant. Multiply. I'll write here 24 into 3. 3 4 is 12. 3 2 is 6 plus 1 7. 72. The product is 72, positive number. Here it is positive. Product is positive. Next, x quotient of x. What is quotient of x here? Is negative, minus 17, negative symbol. So we have to factorize 72. First one, split into factors. So take one table, 1 into 72. It may be minus 1 into minus 72 also, because minus into minus plus. Now add these. 1 plus 72 is equal to 73. Here not useful. Minus 1 minus 72, by adding these two you will get minus 73. It is also not useful here. Now take 2 table. 2 3 is 6, 2 6 is 12. 2 3 is 6, 1 12, 3 2 is 12. So 2 into 36 is equal to 72. Now take both negative also. Negative, 2 positive and 2 negative. By adding these two, 2 plus 36 is equal to 38. Minus 2 minus 36 is equal to minus 38, but not useful. Next, 3 table. 3 2 is 6 and 12. 3 4 is 12. Add this. Minus 3 plus 24 is equal to 27. Minus 3 into minus 24. So minus 3 minus 24 minus 27. By multiplying we get 72. Minus into minus plus 24 3 is 72. By adding you will get minus 27. But you should get 17 only, minus 17. So these factors are not useful here. So 4 table. Let's take 4 table. 4 1s are 4, 32. 4 8 is 32. Let us take negative also. 18 plus 4 is equal to 22. Minus 8 minus 4 minus 18 minus 22. 5 table. 5 does not divide 72, so you don't take. 6 table. 6 divides 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. If you don't know to write directly, you can divide here like this. 72 by 6. 6 1 ja 6, 12. 6 2 ja 12. So 0. So 6 into 12. 6 into 12. Like this, we can divide the rough part. Now add this. Minus 6 plus 6 plus 12 plus 18. So if 17 is there, so it is also not valid. No need to take negative symbols. If there is positive or negative, they are equal, you can take that one. Here no need to take negative symbols. 7 next number 7. 7 does not divide. 8 divides. 8 into 9. So 8 plus 9, 17. We got 17, but we should take here both negative numbers. Minus 8 into minus 9 plus 72. Minus 8 minus 9, by addition we get minus 17. So now we got the factors. Now let us split. Write 3x square and 24 as this. No change. Just split minus 17x into 2 terms like this by taking minus 8x. Don't write minus 8. Minus 8x minus 9x. Can split like this. Now what is the common factor? You can write here minus 9 also. Minus 9 minus 8 also. No change. You will get the same answer. You can interchange. Minus 9 minus 8 or minus 8 minus 9. You can take anyway. Here what is the common factor? Here number factor is HCF 3 1 ja 3 3 ja. So 3 is the common factor. Next literal factor x square x power 1. Which is least? This one is the least. So that is the common factor. Now divide these two numbers by this common factor. 3x square by 3x. You know how to divide 3x square by 3x. 3 1 ja 3. X square by x is equal to x. So 1x means x. Minus 9x by 3x. 9x by 3x. X cancel. 3 1 ja 3 3 ja 3. Answer is 3. Here what is the common factor? If you cannot say orally, you can exercise like this also. Minus 8x minus 2 into 2 into 2 into x. Prime factorization. 24. 24 can be written as 2 12 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 3 ja. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now select common factors. 2, 2, 2, 2. How much is there here? 4. But here 8 also common factor. 2 also. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. 8 is the HCF. HCF is 8. X is not here. We don't take x. 8 is the HCF. So we select 8. But write the symbol whatever it is here. Write that one only here. Now divide minus 8x by minus 8. You know how to divide. Minus 8x by minus 8. Minus minus cancel. 8 1 8 cancel. X is the quotient. So write x here. Next plus by plus 24 by minus 8. If you can do orally, you can write. No need to do all this. Otherwise you have to do. Then only you can get a clear concept. Plus by minus minus 8 1 ja 8 3 ja minus 3. Here also we get minus 3. So here we get same factors in the bracket in this term and in this term. So that is the common factor here. X minus 3 is one factor, and write another factor. How to write? 3x into x minus 3. X minus 3, x minus 3 cancel. Divide this one by x minus 3. These two gets cancelled. You will get 3x. You keep minus. Here also 8 into x minus 3 by x minus 3. X minus 3, x minus 3 cancel. We get 8. So these are the two factors of this one. So 3x square minus 17x plus 24 can be written as x minus 3 into 3x minus 8. In this way we can split the quadratic polynomial into two factors. These two are linear polynomials. It is quadratic polynomial. After knowing this, we can find solutions also. మీరు ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చినటువంటి ఈ ఎక్స్ని మధ్య ఉన్నటువంటి దాన్ని రెండు పదాలు మొత్తంగా రాయాలి. ఇందులో ఏది కామన్ వస్తుందో తీసుకోవాలి. హెచ్సిఎఫ్ మాత్రమే తీసుకోవాలి. తీసుకొని వచ్చిన హెచ్సిఎఫ్తో ఈ రెండింటిని డివైడ్ చేసి వచ్చే కోషంట్ ఇక్కడ రాయాలి. ఇక్కడ కూడా హెచ్సిఎఫ్ minus 8. Now divide these two terms by minus 8. We get quotient like this. Again this quotient is same, so that is the common factor. Now divide the two terms by common factor. We get the some quotients 3x minus 8. This is another factor. In this way we can factorize a quadratic polynomial. This is the second type. Product is positive, x coefficient is negative. The first type, product is positive, x coefficient also positive. Okay. Here let us factorize one more problem. The type 2. Product is positive, x coefficient is negative. Now multiply here. I think 1 is the coefficient of x square. 1 into 81, we get 81 only. So I will write here directly. Product is 1 into 81, that is equal to 81. Now factorize 81. How to factorize 81? Write the factors of 81. Here 1 into 81, by add this 81 plus 1, 82. But you should get a number minus 18. Minus 18. You should get minus 18. This is the coefficient of x. Here 81 plus 1, 82. So not useful here. So no need to write minus 1 into minus 81 also, because if minus 82 is there, you can write. Take second table, but does not divide. Second does not divide this one. 3 table, 3 divides. 3 2 just 6. If you don't know, you can do like this here. 3 2 just 6, 21. 3 7 just 21. So 81 can be written as 3 into 27. 3 into 27. Now add this. 27 plus 3, 30. But here we should get minus 18. So if you take negative symbols, you will get minus 30. So no need to take here. Take 4, next fourth symbol, fourth table. 4 does not divide. Fifth table, fifth does not divide. Sixth does not divide. Seventh does not divide. Eighth does not divide. Only 9 divides. 9 9 is 81. Take both symbols, either both positive or both negative. By adding these two, 9 plus 9 we get 18. By adding the negative numbers, minus 9 minus 18. So here minus 18 is there, you have to select minus 9 and minus 9. If plus 18 is there, you have to take plus 9 plus 9. So here minus, so x, write x square as it is, 81 as it is. Instead of minus 18x, write minus 9x and minus 9x. Minus 9 minus 9 minus 18x. Now what is the common factor here? X is the common factor, we know. And divide the number x square by x, we get x. Minus 9x by x, x cancel, minus 9. Now take common factor from these two numbers. 3 divides these two numbers, 1 divides and 9 also divides. So we have to take highest number, that is 9. So write the symbol as it is here. Take 9 table. If no number common number is there, then you have to take 1. Is the common factor. So minus 9x by minus 9. We know how to do. Minus 9x by minus 9. Minus this 9 by 9. Cancel. X. Now plus 81 by minus 9. Divide. Plus by minus. Minus 9 1 ja 9 9 ja 81. So minus 9. Minus 9. Again, here are two products, x into x minus 9, 9 into x minus 9. That means there are two factors here. Here are also two factors. But x minus 9 is the common factor of these two products, x minus 9, x minus 9. Takes x minus 9 as the common factor. Now write the other factor. How to write? X into x minus 9 by x minus 9, x minus 9, x minus 9 cancel, you will get x only. 9 into x minus 9 by x minus 9, x minus 9, x minus 9 cancel, you will get minus 9. So x minus 9 to x minus 9, that means x minus 9 whole square. So x square minus 18x plus 81 can be written as x minus 9 into x minus 9. In this way we can factorize the given quadratic polynomial. If you know this one, we can do this one without writing all this, you can do, no problem. If you don't know the process, you have to follow this one compulsory. After practicing some problems like this method, you can do this one like this. You can factorize the given quadratic polynomial like this. Here I have given some assignment to you. Factorize the following quadratic polynomial, quadratic expression. Here 5 problems I have given. So you have to factorize first, second, third, fourth, fifth. If you have any doubts, please write in the comment box. Okay.